Make any cut, anywhere, at any angle, even bevel or inside plunge cuts, as easily as connecting the dots. Once measured, connect the two reference marks with the zero clearance edge on the track. This edge indicates the exact line of cut, regardless of the bevel angle of the saw. The underside of the track is equipped with two high-friction strips that grip to the material and eliminate the need for additional clamping in most applications. Always getting a factory finished edge with the track saw saves time, material, and money.